So we have this problem factorized, right? They are saying that they have given these quantities and they are asking us to factorize this particular expression. Now if you look at it, right, I have seen that most of the kids, what they do is that they try to basically multiply these two and open up. The moment you do that, you're basically complicating your approach totally. Okay, factorization is very simple. So what you need to do is that identify a pattern over here and substitute. In algebra, most of the time substitution works really well. Okay, so if you look at it, right, there is a pattern over here. Do I need that immediately in the problem? No. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to replace that. A square minus 3a is equal to x. Okay, let's replace that one. Look at it, how simple it becomes. So what does the equation become now? Sorry, what does the expression become? This is x times this is x plus 7 is plus 10. So this is the expression. Now when you open this one up, right, because you need to create a quadratic equation to factorize it. So it becomes x square plus 7x plus 10. You should be able to go ahead and factorize this one. You have a 10 over here and you have a 7 over here. So what are the factors are you going to take? You're going to take x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Look at it. So your factors are x plus 5 times x plus 2. This is what you get. Now replace the value of x. X was not there in the problem. You have the expression in the terms of a. Replace that value over here. So what do you get? It's a square minus 3a plus 5, right, times a square minus 3a plus 2, right? So you have factorized to some extent. Now look at these two expressions and see that if you will be able to factorize. Now if you look at here, right, what are the factors of 5? It's 5 and 1. There are no other factors of 5. Using 5 and 1, I'll not be able to get a 3. So this cannot be factorized. It is not, you cannot break it down into further. You can do that thing for immediately, whatever you have learned right now, you won't be able to factorize it further, but at least this one you can do it. Look at it. You have a 2 over here and you have a 3 over here. What are the factors of 2? It is, you can put it as minus 2 and minus 1. 2 and 1, right? So what you can do is that, leave this one like this. Times this will become a minus 2 times a minus 1. That is your answer. You can factorize this one, but you need to learn quadratic equations before going ahead and factorizing this one. Okay? If you have not learned quadratic equations, don't attempt this one. If you have learned quadratic equation, go ahead and use that formula and find the roots of this one, right? Of this equation, and you can factorize this further. So this is the simplest solution. This is how you approach problems. In algebra, mostly I would suggest is that look where you can replace, where you can substitute so that your life becomes much more easier. Okay, great.